A carousel spins, with lots of music and games. Spins until it overlaps with an Indian dream catcher. The dream catcher in my imagination becomes the bower of the rose garden under which I was sitting in Monza Park. Segments of light dazzled my eyes. The wind shook the colourful petals of the roses. The image of Carousel des Rêves appears vivid, real to me, in relation to the space without altering its harmony. I don't paint on the blank canvas. I go to meet that painted image in my head. Painting is for me the encounter of multiple dimensions. Suspended between present and past, between the real and the fantastic, an itinerant dimension, in a fluctuating quest of forms chasing the idea, of colours. Randomness has something spiritual in experiencing something unexpected. Always manages to surprise me.